What is up, YouTube? I am back with another video. This time I'm actually talking through the video and I'm about to show you a little tutorial of a low fade haircut with a design in the back that I did on my brother. Let's get right into it. First step is that we grab our comb, make sure everything is laying down flat, comb everything down. Then we grab our Silver FX Babyliss trimmers, create our first guideline. Now with the same trimmers, we make sure that everything is balled out nice and neat to make sure that we can see our guideline clearly. Now we grab our Babyliss Pro shavers and we start shaving everything up to where the guideline is. Let's take in mind that we don't have to go all the way to the guideline. Make sure to leave a tiny little space. Make sure to don't make it difficult on yourself when it comes to erasing that guideline. Now it's time to grab our wall seniors with the lever open and create our second guideline. Just go about half an inch up and make sure that you don't go all the way deep in. Make sure you just use the flick out motion and stuff to create that guideline. Now it's time to grab our number one guard and put it in the wall senior, and with the lever open we create another guideline going about another half an inch up from the guideline that we just created with the lever open, making sure you're seeing your full cut and where you're at in the fade. Now we grab our guard number 2 and put it on our wall seniors, and make sure you don't create another guideline, but just make sure the fade connects with the top part of my client's hair and bottom part with the fade, just to make sure that it looks all connected and well blended. Now again we get our number one guard, and this time we close it all the way down and make sure you flick out that middle line. As you keep going through the cut, you start to see that the cut is getting its shape and form. Just make sure that whenever you're erasing guidelines, don't create more guidelines by going in way too deep. But what I mean by that is that you have to use the flick out motion. Make sure you start flicking instead of going all the way in and creating another guideline. As you can see now, I grab my 1.5 guard and I'm simply just softening down a little bit the transformation between the guard number 2 and the guard number 1, and I'm just giving it a little bit of a softer look. Make sure everything is well blended together. Now it's time to grab our Babyliss clippers and simply get rid of that last guideline, which really was your first guideline. And I just close down the lever and simply start flicking out with the corners. Make sure you use your corners when it comes to getting rid of that line. Make sure you don't create another line. I don't usually get rid of my last guideline with my seniors simply by the fact that the blade seems to be too sharp and it gets stuck in the skin sometimes, and I feel like that's just not what works for me. So I use my Babyliss clipper, and I use that to get rid of that line instead. This is just a little bit more convenient for me as a barber. Well, we added. Shout out to my boy Drew for hooking it up with this beat. Y'all go check him out. I'm gonna put his profile in the description. Make sure y'all give him a subscribe and like all his posts and support. So now what I'm doing is just detail work right here. Really, like GC said, what puts you out of the mix of another barber is the way you put in the work, the detail, and just make sure your cut is standing out as much as possible. Your blends are always popping out and just giving a good haircut. So now time to give that sharp look. So we grab our Gold FX trimmers. These are usually my hitters, my go-tos when it comes to creating that either that C cup or that edge up. Ooh, boy, say, look at that blend, no cap. Now we grab our Andy Slim Pro LIs and just make sure you give it more detail work. And this is simply me just going out of my way to make the cut just stand out a little bit more, detailing work, and making my client look fresh and stand out from the rest. The final result. But what a blend. Look at that. The camera don't lie at all. Look at those lines. Look at those blends. Look at that. Ooh, so smooth. Make sure y'all smash that like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Make sure you spam the comments and just like this video overall. I hope this helped. Thank you. It's your boy gonzaloblendz, and I'm out.